Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify BigCommerce webhooks for order sync reliability, full guide step by step clearly. To verify BigCommerce webhooks for order sync reliability, begin by logging into your BigCommerce account. Navigate to the Advanced Settings section in the left-hand menu. Select webhooks from the drop-down options available. Click on the Create Webhook button to set up a new webhook. Choose an event type related to order synchronization, such as order created or order updated. Enter your webhook URL where you want to receive notifications. Make sure the webhook is enabled for the events you've selected. Save the webhook configuration to finalize the setup. Next, check the webhook status to ensure it displays as active. Now, verify that your server is ready to handle incoming webhook requests. Make sure to implement security measures, such as validating the request signature. Retrieve the shared secret from your BigCommerce account's webhook settings. On your server, create a function to validate the incoming webhook by comparing the signature. Extract the signature from the incoming headers of the request. Use your shared secret and the request payload to generate a signature. Compare the generated signature with the one received in the headers. If they match, the webhook can be considered verified. Log the event details to ensure you have a record of the received data. Regularly test the webhook by simulating events in BigCommerce. Monitor your server logs for any errors or issues with the webhook processing. Adjust your server code as needed to handle different scenarios or data formats. By following these steps, you'll ensure reliable order synchronization using BigCommerce webhooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.